Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Science Tech 14 again, and in this video I am going to solve the problem of the save button in YouTube Studio. Since we are saving the thumbnails but it is not being saved, so how can we save? Let's start with now. Let's click on the YouTube Studio app. When we click on it, it's opening. The problem is that we are saving but the save button is not highlighted. So we try this trick. Let's choose a video. Let's choose the how to hide subscriber. I choose this. Now click on the edit button as you usual click. Now you again edit. Now change. You can change the thumbnails. See, I'm showing you that it's not working. See, let's select this one, the meditation class. I'm just showing you. Let's select. When we click on select, here the save button. But the save button is not working. It is not highlighted. It will not work. So how can it work? How the thumbnail will save? It's an easy trick. Just the title you have written, click on the backspace or just give a space and just back it. Now the save button is highlighted. You can click and it will be saved. So click on the save button. Now it is being saved and now it is saved. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.